Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through a simple but effective way to stop specific people from adding you to groups and channels on the Telegram app for PC. With the latest update, Telegram has made it much easier to control who can invite you, and setting this up only takes a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open your Telegram application on your computer. Once it's open, look to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on them. This will open up the main menu where you can access different features and settings. From here, select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, click on Privacy and Security. This is the section where all your privacy controls are located, including your control over group and channel invitations. Now, scroll down until you find Groups and Channels. Click on it, and you'll see the options for who can add you. By default, this can be set to everybody. When you choose this option, gatherings or channels can invite you, but don't worry. We're going to set limits on specific people. Right under that, look for the option that says Never Allow. Next to it, you'll see a button labeled Add Users. Click on it, and Telegram will let you select people from your contact list or recent chats. These are the users you don't want to be able to add you into groups or channels. Select the names of the people you'd like to block from doing this, then hit Save. Once you save, a confirmation will appear, letting you know the change has successfully been applied. That's it. Your settings are now updated. The users you've chosen will no longer be able to add you into unwanted groups or channels. This feature is really helpful if you've been added to random groups you're not interested in, or if certain people keep inviting you without asking first. With just a few clicks, you can customize your Telegram experience and keep it exactly how you want it. And there you have it. You now know how to prevent specific users from adding you to groups and channels on Telegram using the PC app. Simple, quick, and definitely worth setting up for more peace of mind.